Alright guys, Paul here again with another video. As you can see, I've got my UDR but without the body on. The reason for that is the body's getting quite beaten up for all the bashing I do. I've got a new body coming, different style, and I've got all paints and things. I'm going to do a custom paint job and really change the car's look completely. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. But for just now, so I'm going to do a video with the body off, just so you can see the suspension going, the live axle moving, and just how the car sort of looks without the body on, because the suspension's incredible on the UDR. Like I say, I'm not a huge Traxxas fan. I've had a few issues with them over time, but I can't take it away from them that the UDR looks absolutely superb when it's in action and when it's working mainly. That's the thing, that you get a lot of problems with the UDR. If anybody owns one, you'll probably agree with that. But yeah, here we go. I've got some on board, hopefully some slow-mos and just some flat out stuff. So if you enjoy it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.